The L1 visa could potentially lead to permanent resident status, potentially if person has L1A classification. So if they start out as a manager executive, if they've had at least 1 year of experience in the US in a managerial or executive level role, and they then transfer in L1A status to the US, then there is a green card path for multinational managers and executives. And it is a faster process to get a green card if someone is in that position. What that means is that the company does not have to first attempt to recruit a US worker for that permanent role. They don't have to test the labor market and show that they've tried to hire someone locally. They can just identify that person as someone that they want to keep permanently on staff, and because of their high level importance with the business, it's possible for them to do that. Now, the threshold for a green card for a multinational manager executive is quite high. So if someone transfers to the US in L1A status, I like to suggest to companies, you want to keep that person there for a good year. Show what their track record is. Show that they're indispensable to the US operation before you pursue a green card. There's no requirement that they wait that period of time, but it is good to build the credibility of that applicant for a green card, because it is going to be challenged. It's going to be reviewed closely. So you want to maximize the chances of success by building as strong of a track record for green card. Now, for others, so for example, L1B applicants, visa holders, it's not as easy of a path to a green card. The company does have to first test the labor market. They do have to first see if a US worker is eligible for the job, and there's certain quite strict requirements handed down by the Department of Labor as to how the recruitment has to be done in the US. And so a company has to follow that specifically to then show that they have legitimately eliminated US workers and will need to then hire this person permanently, or wants to hire the person permanently. So it's a longer process unless you have an L1A multinational manager executive visa.